Hello, hi everybody. My name is Yvonne. I'm 81 years old, going to 2. And I'm gonna make some pickles for everybody, friend and family. Lime, boil it so I can have enough juice. I'm cutting it in half now. Squeezing the lemon. I'm gonna have some orange, fresh sour orange. I'm gonna put some vinegar, some salt. 1 teaspoon, 2, and 3. That's it. Carrots. I'm cutting some cabbage. More cabbage. Cutting some more fresh carrots, you know. There's a lot of fresh carrots. Orange pepper, green pepper, red bell pepper, sweet onions. That's the way my grandma used to make it, my mom, so hey, I'm doing it the same way. I'm putting this, the hot pepper. I'm mixing it, everything together, hot pepper.
Oh, that's hot.
I'm cutting a few and I'm blending the rest. I'm gonna pour it over my ingredient. And now I'm mixing it. Plain vinegar. Cutting the parsley in it. There we go. This is my pickles, it's done. And I'm gonna put it in a jar. If it does not look like that, something is missing. Boom, beautiful. And I love it. I always enjoy doing it.